Hello, my name is Michelle Reyes and I'm presenting my web application called Pet Plan. So the problem my web application solves is the problem or challenge of finding personalized pet care plans for your pets. This application provides a faster and easier way to find weekly schedules based on your pet's needs. And besides, it saves time from having to call the vet or reaching to outside sources like asking a friend. So looking at my web application, right next to the title is basically a description. So in the description, the first thing you have to do is describe your pet and their needs. So write a description of your pet, any relevant information, and the text box area, as right here. Next, you have to choose a plan type. So select the checkbox for the type of plan you want. There is the option of feeding, grooming, training, or general care, which basically you have to leave all the checkboxes empty. Once this is finished, the user has to press the generate button to receive a customized weekly plan for their pets. So let's try this in action. So let's say I have a pet named Connie who sheds often and has long fur. Keep in mind you can write as basically as much as you want. You can be as descriptive as you want, but for simplicity we're going to choose a very simple description of my pet and their needs. So next I'm going to choose the plan type. I'm going to choose actually yes, I'm going to choose grooming, and I'm going to generate. So it takes a couple of seconds. So open for response. As you can see, it gives it creates a grooming schedule for the pet with shedding tendencies is essential to maintain their healthy appearance. So basically, it's just a grooming schedule for my pet. And another thing in my application is that it allows the reader to view the AI response without not having to strain their eyes, because you can essentially just move the cursor from left to right. And once you're essentially finished reading the response, you can click the X button and you're exit out of the screen. But if, of course, if you want to see it again, you can simply just go back. So, and lastly, I put the clear button, where basically if you want to reuse the application, you want to refresh the page itself, press the clear button and you can use the application again. So, and the next thing I want to talk about is future implementations I would want to do in my application. So I would hope for a better UI UX design. I think I need to work on that. I kind of want to make it into a website instead of an application. So I hope, to have a homepage. I hope to also have kind of I guess you can say a generator where a user can input their zip code, and then it will output the nearest dog clinics or hospitals, as well as I also plan to add the option for users to input their zip code as well for financial assistance and support. I think that's a really option I really want to add, because owning a pet is quite expensive. So yes, I hope to eventually implement these this into the application. So yes, overall, I would like to say that my application is publicly deployed. So if you would like to look at it, you can. Here's the link up above. So thank you for listening.